This is Friday, May 24th. We're here in my shop, and I'm Buck. This is Sawdust Solutions, and welcome to my shop. There hadn't been a lot going on, but in the shop hadn't been a lot going on. However, we have been in physical therapy, which is going very well. We have been getting her stronger. Her spirits is good. Things seem to be to normal, or as expected, maybe. But anyway, she's down in physical therapy. She's actually doing really well. I think she walked over 200 feet yesterday with the walker. Her with that broken leg, she can't put any weight on it. That's the problem. So when they put the titanium nail in it that stretches from her just below her hip to just above her knee, when the bones come back together, it kind of in a spiral twist when it broke, and it fragged out, and it didn't fit back real good. There's places that the doctor said it was 3 centimeters wide that would left gaps. And that's why she can't put any weight on it. And of course, the physical therapy is getting her stronger everywhere else to kind of compensate, because that bone's got to heal before she put any weight on it. And what's typical? 6 to 8 weeks. So hope everything mends up and heals up, because when she gets where she can put weight on it, it'll be much better. But the physical therapy is to keep it from getting stove up and strengthen all the other muscles to compensate, and that's really going good. Like I say, with the walker, she was able to walk to over 200 feet yesterday, which the first time out, she could only walk 5 feet. So it has gotten much better. Spirits is up. So we're on the right road. We're just going to take time. However, they have scheduled her. This is Friday. Next Thursday is coming Thursday. She's scheduled to go home. Then she'll have in-house, at home. She'll have therapists coming in working on different stuff. Of course, she'll be there where I could help her along. And of course, I got my daughter and my granddaughter. They have been a huge help to me and to her. Huge help. So I just thought I would do an update on how it's going. The thing about this wood shop, you got to understand, of course, the interest, my interest is to help her get better. That's number one. And when you're fooling in a wood shop, even if you just got hand tools, them tools are sharp, and there's a danger factor that you really need have 100% concentration on what you are doing. If not, you'll have a different set of problems. I had a friend of mine that them 3 fingers there, he lost half of them. He just had saw cut right down them 3 fingers. And he said that, after smoke cleared and all that, so to speak, he said, I lost concentration from 100% to 99% for a moment. So it doesn't take but a moment. So that's another reason why this shop is on hold. I've put it on hold. We don't need any more problems, because you can get hurt, snap your fingers. even hand tools. Boy had a chisel go through his hand. It cut. It's just amazing. It is amazing how fast you can lose consciousness by losing blood. If we hadn't have been there, me and another boy was there, and we got him the bleeding stopped, but he was already passing out in less than a minute. It is amazing how fast you can get in trouble. So with that said, I'm not even going to attempt anything in the shop until my head can get back in the game. Because even at the very best, you're liable to be hurt. But if your head ain't in the game, that just kind of doubles down on a problem may occur, and it's not worth it. I won't be able to come down here next year, next month, and work in the shop. So, but right now, I got things that I'm going to have to do with her, So I'm just updating and letting y'all know how it's going. I appreciate it. I got 483 subscribers. Can you believe that? When we went past 100, anything past 100, it just, I'm in awe. I never would have thought I'd had this kind of response. But like I say, I'm gonna take some time off, get her up in good shape. So just thought I would update. It's and I do. It's nice to have help. My daughter and my granddaughter has really stepped up. So I am grateful. And this thing could have been a lot worse. But we'll be okay. And y'all have a wonderful day. This is Friday, so y'all have a wonderful weekend. Just weather's nice. Y'all get out and have fun. And I will see y'all on the next one. Y'all be safe.